institutional performance. The findings provide actionable insights to strengthen the adoption, enabling HEIs to harness data for strategic decision-making, fostering academic success, operational efficiencies, and long-term institutional sustainability.
Uniformly on all the IDP phases.
Sharon Fokou. Amara Kane-Smith. Sibabawe Kwesa. Sita Williams. Alejandra Serrano. Sharon Fokou.
Sharon, I'm proud of you. You make it. Bachelor of Commerce, honor in information system, honor degree. You make it, my daughter. You are the best. Keep it up.
And the citations will be read by Professor.
Surya Kakizimani's PhD thesis is entitled Generational Dynamics of Commercial Farming in Highland, Kenya. This thesis explores how generation, gender and class shape youth inclusion in commercial farming in Meru County, Kenya, a former Kenyatta-era million-acre settlement scheme with strong agricultural potential. It shows that youth face severe difficulties accessing agrarian resources such as land, labour, water and capital. These barriers are linked to intergenerational dynamics that favour old patriarchs. As a result, youth responses are individualised, lacking collective political agency. Despite demonstrating entrepreneurship and interest in commercial agriculture, gerontocratic power relations and institutional failures undermine the potential of male and female volunteers.
Jordan Joseph. Kagiso Kekana. Mawenda Kosa. Ayanda Charity Masuki. Fokou Menue.
Guys, if you are still here, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Why don't you like the channel? Share the video, comment on the video. Guys, we are here at the University of Western Cape. 2025 graduation ceremony in Cape Town, one of the beautiful city of South Africa, guys. 15 April 2025 at 30 minutes 2 in the evening. So this is the reason who actually took me to Cape Town, and this have been happening very smoothly. Guys, let's pray for this student to make use of their qualification and to improve as the year go on. Children, father, mother, you are the best. For 2025, you are the best. My name is Alphonse Fokou. As you can see, we are on Fokou Media, the channel of entrepreneur, the channel of business people, the channel of technician, and the channel of traveler. Be a member of this channel. Share, like, and subscribe to the channel. As we start celebrate here, guys, let's go home and keep celebrate and make use of our achievement. We actually recognize the determination and sacrifice that have brought you here. Go home, celebrate safely, and come again next year for the update of your qualification. This graduation ceremony is actually the reason who took me to Cape Town today, because my daughter was among these people who are celebrating their achievement. She was there, and she made me proud as a father.
Thank you.